Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to start off with our 7th chapter, that is degrees of comparison. What are degrees of comparison? You already know that degrees of comparison are to compare a person or thing with another. We always use degrees of comparison using adjectives, right? So there are three kinds of degree of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let's start off with positive degree. Here in this book it's written, when we are talking about one person or thing, we use the adjective in its ordinary form. This is called the positive degree. It means that positive degree always denotes the quality of a person, a thing or a group, right? Like here in the example, this is a big room, or Amia is a tall girl, or he is a good boy, she is a good girl. All these things we are denoting the quality of a person or a thing. So here it is a positive degree. And if we are comparing positive degree, we use as, then adjective, then as. Okay, then suppose if we are comparing by using big, so if we are comparing two rooms, so we are saying this room is as big as that. Okay, this room is as big as that. Clear? So if we are comparing positive degree, then we are using as adjective, then as, like this room is as big as that room. Clear? Then let's go to comparative degree. When we compare two person, animals or things, we add er to the adjective. This is called comparative degree. So if we are comparing something, we just have to have in our mind that we have to compare between two people, not more than two. Like Reena is taller than Maya. Reena is taller than Maya means Maya is shorter than Reena. Reena is taller than Maya. So if we are comparing something, we are comparing between two things, two people or animals. Now let's come to superlative degree. When we compare three or more people, animals or things, we add es to the adjective. This is called superlative degree. So in superlative degree, we choose among the group or many, right? So like here it's written, Akila is the tallest girl in the class. Means in a class maybe there are 20, 25, 50, 100 students. So among all, Akila is the tallest. Let's see what's written in your book. With some adjectives, we use more and most to show the comparative and superlative degrees. Like the shops are always more crowded just before Christmas. Winter is the most wonderful season of all. So we are using more and most to compare and to show the superlative degree among it. Then for adjectives with one or two syllables, we usually add er or est, and for adjectives with three or more syllables, we use more or most. Okay, some adjectives have their own comparative and superlative forms. They are called irregular adjectives. Like here, we cannot use er or est, more or most to them. Like bad, worse, worst, middle, less, least, many or much, more, most. Here, we are not using er or est, it has their own words. So if we are talking about syllables, like more than 3 syllables, syllables are the breaks of the words which we use to pronounce. Like here, suppose in beautiful, beautiful, it's all 3 syllable, isn't it? It's a 3 syllable word. So we will use over here more or most. If there are 2 syllable words like taller, like tall is 1 syllable word, so we are using er or est to make it a superlative or comparative. If we are talking about 2 syllable word like pretty, pretty is a 2 syllable word. Like pre is 1 syllable and t is another one, so it's a 2 syllable word. We can use pretty er for comparative form and est for superlative form. Like prettier and in superlative prettiest. In irregular adjectives, I repeat, in irregular adjectives, we don't use er, est, or more or most to make it a superlative or comparative form. Like bad, worst, it has their own word. I hope this much is clear to you all. We will move on to our next part. As I have told you earlier, using as adjective as, if we are comparing two things which are similar way, like when we compare two things or people that are same in the way, so we use as plus adjectives plus as. So the red car is as big as the green car, means both are the same. We use not as plus adjective plus as to talk about how two things or people are different from each other. Like the red car is not as big as the blue car. So to say that it is not same or it is different from each other, so we use as adjective as by using not before. I hope this much you all have understood about degrees of comparison. So this much till now. We will again meet with our next chapter next week. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.